Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Be careful when driving around trees. Imagine the insurance cost for that thing.
Twenty minutes later.
Santa needs to slow down. This is why it's important to brake early and not end up in a situation like this. Hopefully the patient is okay.
Always the worst when...
Okay, my dude.
Yeah. We're not... Yeah, what a fucking moron.
Wow.
The person behind you honked or something.
I know, I heard him. People do not.
Do you think he was on his phone? Wow, that was close. Guess you missed the stop part of the stop sign. More fun times in Austin. A nice morning commute gave a polite little honk.
A few moments later.
Is he out of his mind? Is he out of his mind? How is this legal? It's so distracting. How do these people get their driver's license?
Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the f***?
Every detail.
Holy
Searching for a glimpse at its past.
god damn.
All the while, Carfax already did that for you.
Holy.
Only Carfax knows how a car's accident.
Who's at fault here?
Whoa! What the f are you doing?
I don't think you can drive there, mate.
What if you're like Dennis and you can't afford to get young people and smoke weed once in a while?
Hello, Saver. Whether you're saving for that trip to the tropics or saving for an emergency, now is the time to take advantage.
License plates are optional these days. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.